I start in the name of Allah, the most merciful and gracious. Knowledge is power. Honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear class fellow, good morning. Today I would like to speak about my topic, knowledge is power, the power that will transfer all your spheres of life and activities, what we call knowledge. If you get knowledge, you have the power just throughout your life. Respected sir. The plurality in power was done by Sir Francis Bacon. In all our good and bad time knowledge is the right companion to understand the difference between them, dear fellow. If you want to be a real winner in your life, you need to gain an amount of knowledge. In a difficult situation, people with knowledge have the power to deal with the situation. Knowledge is the light of the dark of identity. We guide us to the right path, respected audience. The difference between a human and an animal is the power of knowledge. We can control nature, enjoy it, be naked with the help of knowledge. But you must this knowledge, then we thanks for hearing.